Namaste friends, Bridge Course, Standard 10th, English, Day 32, Competency Statement 17, Framing probing questions to find additional information to find precise answers to one's query. Activity number 1, collect some waste wrappers, read them carefully, find details for conversation, prepare conversation about convincing the customer to buy the product. Now see, learning activity. Already you have done these activities in the last 2 years. So it's not difficult for you. Now observe this advertisement and then read the conversation based on it in learning activity. I hope you will easily understand it, so I will not explain it or read it. You have to read yours own. And then again, solved activity. There is an advertisement given on SCERT PDF page number 87 in solved activity about hot and spicy Jhatka Vada Pav. So read that advertisement and you have to prepare dialogues, meaningful exchanges of dialogues based on the advertisement. So you should understand all the details given in the advertisement. So the dialogues based on the advertisement on SCERT PDF page number 87. You ask, why do you like Jhatka Vada Pav? Your friend Sunil responds, it's my favorite because it is hot, spicy and affordable. Then you ask or probe, where is this food stall? Sunil responds, at Kasturchand Park in our city. Then you ask, is it hygienic? Your friend Sunil, yes, I have ensured there many times. The owner is careful about cleanliness. Then you say, okay, I'll visit and taste when I will go to Kasturchand Park. Sunil, share me your experience after having a taste. Then you say, sure, bye. Now in practice activity, you have to collect some wrappers, prepare some advertisements for your product, and then you have to prepare the dialogues. In extension activity, find different types of advertisements and learn their vocabulary. So that will be useful for you in various contexts. Then with the same competency statement number 17, activity number 2, SCERT PDF page number 88. Instructions, frame some more questions for the interview, prepare it fluently and ask carefully, note down the important details for the conversation, prepare interview questions for the Chief Minister in learning activity. So here 8 questions have been given in learning activity. Among them, question number 1, 4 and 7, these are probably probing questions. How do you feel to be the Chief Minister of the state? Do you feel the pressure of this hot seat? What are your priorities for the state in near future? How will you cope up with the corona crisis in the state? When do you get time for your children and family? Do you watch movies? Which movie do you like the most? If you get free time, what do you like to do the most? What message do you want to give to the state through this interview? So these are the questions. So in this way, framing probing questions in particular situation is really very important for eliciting the information or getting detailed information. Now in solved activity, the 3 demo questions have been given here on page number 88, but if you read the caption, interview of a topper in secondary state board examination, that means the student has already given the examination and the result is declared, announced. So when you are going to interview the topper, you will ask about his previous experiences during the preparation of the examination. Am I right? And so you have to be very careful using the tense structure while framing the question, how the question should be framed for this situation, an interview of a topper in secondary school board examination. Number 1, congratulations to you. How did you prepare for SSC board exam? Then number 2, how long did you study every day during the preparation? Simple past tense. The first one is also simple past tense. Question number 3, do you pursue any hobby? How do you maintain and manage the time? Question number 4, do you get time for your fitness in your busy schedule? So question number 3 and 4 are in simple present tense. Question number 5, did you join any coaching class? If yes, why? If not, why not? Then question number 6, what's your experience with your school teachers? And 7, what message would you like to give for the present batch of SSC students? So in this way, you have to use different tenses to relate to the situation. So friends, framing the probing questions is really very important skill, questioning skill. Already I have told you many times through various activities how questioning skill is important. So you need to practice framing questions, so that will help you to elicit information with the help of the questions in conversations or while conducting interviews, various interviews. Now practice. Prepare interview questions for the interview given below. Interview for the post of sales manager, interview of the doctor on health awareness, interview of the education minister on the online schooling and current education system of the state. So probably I give you choice, you can select any one of these 3 and frame the interview questions. Not all, because it will be heavy work for you. Extension activity, watch the interview on news television, find out the question patterns asked in the interviews on television. So you will get the listening practice and you will get many ideas how the compeer or an anchor conducts the interview of various celebrities and renowned people. So that will also help you along with the listening practice. Then activity number 3 with the same competency statement. Already you have practiced writing meaningful exchanges of dialogues, conversation. So here again one learning activity is given along with the demonstration, you and a sports person, Mr. Dhoni. So read it very carefully. I will not read because it is for you now and it is solved. So read it and then in practice. These are very important activities. Number 1, develop dialogue between you and your father discussing the sports you both like. So your choice of sports and your father's choice of sports is the same. So it is really interesting discussion between you and your father. You have to develop the dialogues, meaningful exchanges of the dialogues between you and your father. Second one is very important, friends. See, many times your mother is not at home, she is out either in her office or for some work out of home, and when suddenly some guests come to your home and you are alone, so you must know how to make tea. So here develop dialogue between you and your mother about making tea. So the process of making tea is the core part in the dialogue between you and your mother. You have to elicit the information from your mother for making the tea or the procedure of making tea. So this second one is important as life skill. Then number 3, develop a dialogue between you and your teacher about how to solve a paper in 3 hours. So all the 3 are mandatory to write with meaningful exchanges in your notebook. SCRT, I again tell you, SCRT PDF, page number 89, practice activity, all the 3 topics for dialogue writing are mandatory. It is compulsory. It will be checked. Be careful. And finally, you have to write your takeaway note or takeaway based on competency statement number 17, activity number 1, 2 and 3. Thank you.